Σήμερα θα δούμε προτάσεις με τις προσωπικές αντωνυμίες αυτός και εκείνος. Πότε είναι ευγενικό να τις χρησιμοποιούμε και πότε όχι. Hello, today we're going to have a look at the personal pronouns αυτός και εκείνος. When it is polite to use and when it's not. My name is Konstantina and I will show you how Greek grammar can be easy and fun to learn the way I explain it. Okay, then let's have a look at some examples. Whenever we want to use this to introduce people, and this person that we need it for is female, then this appears as αυτή. The example I'm using here is this is my sister. Αυτή είναι η αδελφή μου. Whenever the person we want to introduce is male, then this becomes αυτός. For example, this is our neighbor. Αυτός είναι ο γείτονάς μας. Now, we can use he and she as αυτός and αυτή. For example, he foresees things. Αυτός βλέπει μπροστά. Note that this phrase here, αυτός βλέπει μπροστά, is an expression, okay? It's not to be taken or to be translated even literally. Whenever you want to say, for example, she offers legal services using αυτή as she, then this translates as αυτή παρέχει, offers νομικές υπηρεσίες. Now, the point I wanted to make today was that whenever we use he and she, as in when we talk about people that are not present, we do not tend to use αυτός and αυτή because it's not polite. Instead, we use εκεινος and εκείνη, which literally means that. Εκεινος is the masculine form of that, and εκείνη is the feminine version. So let's have a look at some examples. If you want to say, he said that he has many connections, in Greek you would phrase it as εκείνος είπε πως έχει πολλές γνωριμίες. Instead of saying αυτός είπε. Okay? Εκείνος sounds more polite. Then, another example, she came to the party yesterday, not her brother. Instead of saying αυτή, we say εκείνη ήρθε χτες στο πάρτι, όχι ο αδελφός της. Now, using exactly the same logic, okay, we can see εκείνος and εκείνη in their plural form. When we want to talk about more people, okay, refer to more people, that are not there. So they doesn't become αυτή with omicron iota, it becomes εκείνη for masculine and εκείνες for feminine. So, for example, they believe that the weather will get worse. Εκείνοι πιστεύουν πως θα χαλάσει ο καιρός. They, feminine, left the light on. Εκείνες άφησαν το φως ανοιχτό. Now, based on the examples I have shown you before, I have put down some sentences you might want to practice with. So, try using εκείνος and εκείνη, εκείνοι and εκείνες, like the examples that I've shown you last, by using these 4 sentences I've written down. So, if you have any unfamiliar words from the practice I have just given you, let me know in the comments below. Also, feel free to write down any questions you may have from today's class or any other grammar point that might trouble you and you might trigger a whole class. So, if you like learning Greek grammar and you want to take your learning a step further and be able to form conversations in Greek, I guarantee you can do that in only 3 months. just by spending 1 hour per week conversing with me. So type Learn Greek via Talking and you will find me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will take you through all the fun details of my teaching method. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με παρακολουθήσατε. Να είστε καλά. Θα τα πούμε στο επόμενο βίντεο. Γεια σας!